Alright, YouTube. Might have a little wind noise out here, but I'll try to be quick. I have sanded and sanded and sanded. I'll post a little progression of my pictures. This streak up here, I just don't know. I mean, I'm sure I can sand it out, but I'm getting down now, and I don't know if you can see them, to little, there's one right there just off the end of my thumb, itty bitty voids in the casting, and I'm just afraid. I don't think they're going to cause me an issue, but I don't want to keep sanding down. I've measured this thing through here with a mic, and it's the thinnest spots are about 146 thousandths or so, which is over 1/8 of an inch. But I just don't know how thin you can go with this, and I have taken so much material off of this thing. I bet if I could have collected the dust, it'd have filled up a tablespoon, probably heaping, it seems like. I've seen videos of these 113, 123 pumps where people said, oh, I sanded for an hour, oh, I sanded for 4 hours. I bet I've got 7 hours of sanding in this and a half. But I'm going to get put back together. Like I said, this has got to seal better than it was. I don't think that gasket, I feel like that gasket was probably sitting in there fluttering when the oil was going by it. So this has got to be better. I'm going to put it together. We'll get that on here, and hopefully soon we'll get this tractor ready to run again. Alright, so I'm ready to put my pump back together. One of my lock washers broke. The free length of this manual says is 4 15/16. That's, no, excuse me, 2 15/16. 2.48. I'll double check my numbers here. I did it and then I have forgotten it. 46875. And the spring is about 2.428. So that's 40 thousandths. I think that's why this washer was in here, but now the washer is about 60 thousandths. This little tab was also in here, and it's about 42 at its, well, 49 or so at its high point. They were both in there. I think it's way too long. I think they were patching to correct this. So I'm going to put it together with probably just the washer. I'm going to have this. Forgot to mention my gasket. I bought 2. What I read and talked to people, it either takes 1 or 2. It just depends. I'm going to put one in, tighten everything down, see how it spins. And if it needs the other one, we'll do that. I don't know if this is... Alright, so one gasket in. I like the way she turns. It's free. It sounds to me like we're set. So I'm going to get my pickup put back on there and see if I can't get this bolted up. So it's going to rain on me in here in this metal building. That's going to probably make it hard to hear, but I'm going to go ahead and I've got some assembly lube on my gear. I've run some oil down the shaft here. I'm going to see if I can get this pump put back in. I was surprised at how easily that went in. It was way more aggravating to get the bolts to line up and thread in like I wanted them to than to get the pump to engage the cam and just slide right up. So I want to tighten that down, get my fold overs put down, and then I mowed with it for an hour and a half or so this morning. Not building oil pressure I wish it was, but it's in what is considered normal. When it got hot, even at low, just about knock off idle, it was holding about 32, 33 pounds. And before this work on it, it would drop down just about to zero doing that. So I think I've got it pretty much fixed. The spring's too short. I have ordered one. I think this summer, next time I change the oil, I'll just put that spring in that pump just to get my pressure up a little bit more. But it is dead even. It runs same pressure warm as it does cold, so I'm happy. So I've been running her all day. I've got pretty decent oil pressure. I have ordered a spring for that pump because I think it's a little light, but got a little bit left to do up at a neighbor's house. Check my fuel here. Almost a quarter tank. That should be plenty. There she is, guys. We got her together, and I think we're set. Thanks for watching.